how to make your sounds public on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view all the reels. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this Favorite Sounds option. Once you're here, toggle on this option Make Public. After that, others can see the sounds that you favorited, and you can also use these sounds in CapCut. So, by following these steps, you can make your sounds public on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.